All right, I want to find the particular solution. So the first step is to get y equals something. To get y equals, well, the first thing is if I multiply both sides by dx, I'll get dy equals ln x over x dx. From there, if I want to get y, I integrate both sides. And when I integrate both sides, well, this side's easy. That's y. This side isn't as easy. Some people want to go, oh, I could cancel that. No, you can't. ln needs something inside. You can't get in there. So let's do actually a u substitution for this one. But your u is going to be what? Most of you think it's going to be x, which doesn't do anything. But what if I made u actually the top, which is kind of different? Watch what happens. Du is going to be 1 over x dx. Now, isn't there really a 1 over x? Isn't there 1 here? Isn't this 1 over x dx right here? So isn't this right here du? It's kind of hard for some people to see that. The integral of 1 dy is y. Okay? We're going to leave this side as an integral for now. It's going to be u du, simply. Because ln x is u, and this is du. So we have y equals u, which is u squared over 2, plus c. And we now have u. So y equals u is ln x, so it's ln x squared over 2 plus c. Now, there is an easier method to this. Could I take this squared and take it out front? Actually, I can't. Here's why. Anybody? Is that the x is not squared? The whole thing's squared. Don't do that. I almost thought I could do that. Does that make sense? You see that? Oh, you can. No, it has to be the squared inside of the ln to bring it out front. So we have to leave that squared there. Don't try to bring that out front. It has to be inside the natural log to bring it out front. Okay, we're going to plug in these values. So we're going to do, looks like negative 2 equals ln 1 squared over x, over 2 plus c. Now the natural log of 1, e to the what power gives you 1? That is 0. So this right here is actually 0. 0 squared divided by, that's 0. So c ends up looking like simply negative 2, because this whole thing ends up being 0. My answer is y equals the natural log of x squared over 2 minus 2. That is the particular solution. That is the graph of the original graph through the c value.